Well, again, a very short video. It's a kind of review. You may know that I'm a fan of Berghaus gear for the hills, and I like especially their policy of repairing where possible for free, which is something worth bearing in mind. I know their stuff's pricey, but if you can get a free repair and things will last you years because of that, why not do it? The only thing I would say is make sure you try to keep a proof of your purchase, you know, your receipt. Stick it somewhere safe, stick it in your mountain book or wherever you keep things. So with Berghaus's policy in mind, their slogan is, and I'll look at it here, I'll let you see it, designed to go overland, not into it. So I thought, right, I've got some waterproof trousers here, which are these ones, and they had a tear, which I'll show you as well. We have this tear near the waist. Right, that's just a bit for tightening it. So there's a tear here, and what you have to do is send Berghaus a photograph of it, showing them where the problem is, what you want fixed, and they'll decide if it's fixable. So unfortunately, on this occasion, they said because of the nature of the material and the fact it was near the seam, it would alter the fit of the trousers. So regrettably, they said they couldn't do those, which I think is fair enough. But they did say they would send me a voucher for 30% off replacement ones. Now, if these had been within warranty, which I don't know if it's 12 months or something, I could possibly have taken it back to the shop. I think I've had these for 2 years now, so it's probably past that watershed for taking them back. However, the other thing I had was a jacket. Now let's see how they're done with the jacket. So let's have a look and see what they've sent back. And the problem I had with this jacket was that the outer zips, just the two waist height outer zips, had started feeling unpredictably. Sometimes they would work, and then sometimes I'd find that my pocket was actually open and things were falling out. So I'd taken a photograph, showed them the zips in the state when they weren't working properly. And here's my jacket. When you send them stuff back, they require it to be clean. I reckon this was clean enough. I've got an odd little mark on it. So I sent it back, and main zip was always fine, but it was these ones here. Right, tell you what I'll do. I'll put this phone onto a tripod, and then we can have a look at it properly. On the 16th, or maybe it was fixed on the 16th, and I got it back today. So it was only a few days. They say 10 days. Let's have a look. I think up to 10 working days and you should have your thing back again. So there's my zip. There's my zip. I'm assuming it's the new zip. Is it? Let's make sure it still works. Trouble is, it was a bit like this before. It would work for some of the time, and then suddenly it would be halfway like this and open at the bottom and open above as well. You know the way they go sometimes. So well, that's what seems to be okay so far. So let's try the other side. Well, I did have to do this with my old one several times before eventually the fault showed up. And I had to leave it in that state for them to inspect. So I think maybe this is, I wonder how much they replaced. Did they replace all of this side or just that bit? Well, okay. That's it. Well, it does seem to be fixed. Well, it does seem to be fixed. I can't really complain about that. So yeah, Berghaus is good. And if this changes in the meantime, I'll let you know. I'll be sure to do another little review of it. But so far, thanks very much to Berghaus for this. And as I say, make sure if you buy Berghaus stuff, which is quality material, hang on to your receipt or some proof of purchase, even if it's your bank statement or something like that, to show that you bought it, and go onto the website, find out the details of where to send it back, and send it back to them once you've sent them the photographs and they've approved it. So I'll be taking my 30% voucher, which is an online one, and you have to order it online from Berghaus and gives you 30% off. And I think you can't use it on sale items within it. So any different from going to one of the outdoor shops and getting 30% off in the sale? Yeah, well, we'll see. Okay, thanks for having a look. Good.